If you've been watching the Madlanga Commission, then you probably remember Dr. Imogen Mashazi. If not, here's a quick update. Dr. Masazi is the former city manager of Ekurhuleni and made history as the first woman to hold that position. She was responsible for running one of South Africa's biggest metros, overseeing 25 departments and about 18,000 employees. But this week, everything changed. Yesterday, on the 8th of July, she was arrested as part of a corruption investigation, and today she appeared in the Germiston Magistrate Court alongside with other accused officials. Many people noticed how different she looked in court compared to the confidence showed during the Matlanga Commission. It was a reminder of how quickly life can change. So, why was she arrested? Investigators allege that she protected former EMPD Chief Julius Mkwanazi instead of acting on an IPID recommendation. They are also investigating an alleged 3.35 million private jet trip paid for by a businessman linked to city contracts, as well as properties reportedly worth around 60 million rands. She has also been accused of failing to act on complaints of sexual harassment and assault within the EMPD. The exact criminal charges have not yet been made public, and like everyone else, she's entitled to have her allegations tested in court before any conclusions are reached. This is a developing story, and I'll keep you updated as more information comes out. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you. Wow.